Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be making a papier-mâché ball with a card slot that can be used for various occasions. This ball was made in a previous video. I glued the opening back together, gluing cardstock paper to the inside under the cut area to make it more secure. I measure and cut the length and the width for the slot, then trace it to the ball, then cut it out. I added more cardstock to the inside to give it more strength. This is optional. I added an additional 1 to 2 layers of papier-mâché mix and strips of copy paper to give it more durability. This part is optional. A link to the video of how I make my papier-mâché mix recipe is listed in this video's description. Listen how hard it sounds after it's completely dry. Now you can decorate it however you wish. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.